Avantier's inverted microscope for life science research is built for precision, flexibility, and high-resolution imaging of live cell cultures, transfected cells, tissue slices, and microorganisms. It supports Brightfield, phase contrast, fluorescence, and differential interference contrast modes, ideal for observing bacteria, microorganisms, and reproductive and adherent cells in both fixed and label-free live environments. With advanced electric control and Plan Apochromatic objectives, the system enables sharp, high-contrast imaging, even at super-resolution levels. Engineered for streamlined lab operation, it features intuitive software compatibility, ergonomic design, and flexible configuration to support a wide range of life science applications. Avantier, empowering optical innovations.